So your organization wants to adopt DevOps principles and practices. Your management heard something about continuous integration and continuous delivery. So what your organization needs is a CI/CD pipeline to speed up delivery, right? Wrong. Do you want to take the risk to put garbage faster into production? Or do you want to have a safe environment to learn how to make your organization grow into a DevOps organization? Then build, run, improve, repeat can help you with that. It's a serious board game that revolves around the aspects and activities of all the stages of the DevOps cycle. Each time you implement a new feature, you create revenue. That can be spent on improving your way of working. But don't spend it all at once, because you may need to cover your losses. Anyway, enough explanation for now. Better try it out yourself. On Friday, March 26th at 10:30 Central European Time, I will be doing a 90 minutes hands-on session for the Agile Consortium Belgium conference.